Morning one and all. Myself, I am Sunita, working as a maths CRD in KGBV Nagaram School from Suryapeta district. Today topic is data handling. In that subtopic pie chart. A pie chart is a circular graph. Circle has a total of 360 degrees all the way around the center. The central angle of each sector in a pie chart is proportional to the quantity that it represents. So how to find out the angle of each sector? That is frequency of data by total frequency into 360 degrees. Now let us discuss what is the need of pie chart, where it is used. A pie chart presents data as a simple and easy to understand picture. It can be effective communication tool for represent data visually as a fraction part of whole. Pie chart is used represents the information like types of foresters, educationally like a student's grade, survey reports and budget of family, etc. We are taking one example, time spent by a student during a day in this table form. Sleeping is 8 hours, school is 6 hours, playing is 2 hours, other activities 8 hours. This table represent in a graphical way students can understand very effectively. Here each angle of sector represents how much time spent by the student. Now let us come to collect the data in 7th class too. Good morning students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How many students present today?
30 members, ma'am.
Today full strength present. Very good attendance. Okay. Today we are discussing about your favorite topics. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your favorite subjects?
Maths, science, English, social, Hindi.
Very good. We will now put corrective information in table like this. Mathematics like 9 students, science like 6 students, English like 7 students, social like 4 students and Hindi also like 4 students. So using this data, we can find out the angle of each sector. So already we know frequency of data by total frequency into 360. That means you find out the first ratio of this one. So here responses is mathematics 9 is 9 by 30, total students 30. Here science is 6 and 6 by 30, English is 7 by 30, social response is 4 and 4 by 30, Hindi is 4 by 30. These ratio can be multiplied with 360 degrees, that is 9 by 30 into 360, 6 by 30 into 360, 7 by 30 into 360, 4 by 30 into 360 and 4 by 30 into 360. Okay, simplify this one. Here 3 ones are 3 and 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0 1. Then 10 ones are 10, 12 are. Here 9 into 12. So cancellation of these, same you are getting 12 degrees, all of these values like this. So we multiply with 9 into 12, 108 degrees, 6 into 12, 72 degrees, 7 into 12, 84 degrees, 4 into 12, 48 degrees and 4 into 12, 48 degrees. The sum of all the angles of the sectors is 360 degrees. Using this data, we construct a pie diagram. In the construction, here step 1, draw a circle, any convenient radius and mark its center O. Mark a point A somewhere on the circumference and join O to A, that is OA. Now we construct mass sector, that is 108 degrees. So here we measure 108 point here, that is B. Draw the radius, center O to B. This angle AOB is the mass sector 108 degrees. Science sector is 72 degrees. Here point on circumference 72 degrees. C. Draw radius from center O to C. This is science sector. And angle BOC 72 degrees. Now we will construct English sector, that is 84 degrees. Put the point here, name point B, draw the radius from center to D. This angle name is COD, English sector 84 degrees. Social sector is 48 degrees. So put the point 48, name B. So construct DOE angle 48 degrees. Construct Hindi sector is 48 degrees. Angle name is EOA 48 degrees. Here this is the Hindi sector. This is the graphical representation of favorite subject of the student. In this pie chart, the most favorite subject is mathematics and least subjects are social and Hindi. Thank you for giving this opportunity.